How to do handle replacement on Bosch microwave hmv8051u.
Once you remove the choke by prying it out, you then need to pry the front cover off the frame of the door with a flathead screwdriver all the way around. It's quite tedious and you need to be careful not to crack the outer shroud of the door, but just like you pried the choke off, you must pry the metal frame inside the door away from the entire front door skin to access the screws going into the handle.
I can't rate you yet, as I am at work. We'll check you advice this evening. Anyway, it seems that my removal of choke, part 0208, as advised on YouTube video on similar Bosch microwaves, was unnecessary, right? Just prying the front of the door would get me access to the screw.
No, you need to remove the choke as well. Below is another YouTube video which shows how to take the door apart on a Whirlpool microwave. The process is the same for yours, although it will be more difficult than the video makes it appear. Click here for video.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.